We are doing another assessment. Whose house do we have here?
Omise Allen. Omise Allen.
Omise Allen. I must be related to them. It's my last name.
This lady.
I mean, you know, I guess the siding could probably be repainted. It's in pretty bad shape. It's just kind of. I don't think it was ever in good shape. How are you doing? What's your name? Can I give you a sucker? You like suckers? All right. So we got some pacing going on, and this is the
kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
She's a single parent.
She's a single parent.
Single parent.
How many kids do
She have two.
She has 2 kids, and it's
She
just
more.
honestly this house
She can get a
probably
little
just
too big.
needs
The
to
most
be
not good for.
replaced.
This is Scott, right?
Huh?
Hi there, I'm Chris. How are you doing?
I'm Miss Bain.
Do you live here?
No,
You live next door?
my neighbor, but she went to Nassau.
Okay.
But I take care of her cat.
Miss Allen lives here, and does she have kids?
Yeah, she have 2.
2 kids. How old are they? Do you know roughly?
They are 14 and 13.
14 and 13. And she's a single mom, and she lives here by herself.
She's a single mom.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That's one of the main reasons why they want you to come here before you go down.
Yep. So this house needs a lot of work. They ripped out all the carpet in here.
Yeah.
Some of the ceilings are okay. It smells like a lot of mold and mildew remediation, so
Yeah, I know.
try to get an assessment on this one. Windows gone, doors busted.
The old wings they can fly.
Okay, those, I don't know if you can see that in the video, those are bats living up there.
They come in,
Wow.
they stay in the day, and at night they go.
Night they go out.
Okay, well, we're gonna need to,
You saw a
we're gonna need a lot of
you saw
work on this
bathroom?
one. Yeah, the bathroom's is in terrible
Yeah,
shape
the best
too.
thing to do is just
Yeah, this house needs a lot of work.